If you are looking for new ways to succeed in affiliate marketing, then you're in the right place. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
So I'm listening to this guy yammering on about affiliate marketing in a hotel bar after hours at a business conference. He's flashing cash, buying drinks, and talking real big. People are starting to gather around him like kids swarming an ice cream truck on a hot day with dollar bills clutched in their sweaty fists. Traffic is where it's at, he proclaims. His followers press in closer, nodding, seemingly mesmerized, as if God himself had come down to earth for a chat. The dude sits back in his chair, then slowly takes a sip of his top-shelf whiskey on the rocks. Then he adds, "And the real secret to making more sales than everyone else is to add value to an offer." The crowd murmurs a bit, more nodding, more pressing closer. I mean, if this guy was a candle, his followers would have burnt off their eyebrows since they were sitting so close to him. Someone else in the crowd calls out from the back, "That's the key? So if you add a bonus product to every offer you promote, then you'll become a super affiliate?" A smile spreads slowly over the self-proclaimed guru's face. It goes so quiet in our corner of the bar that you could hear the ice cubes tinkling together in his glass as he swirls his drink around. "That's it," he says. "That's the secret." Right then I knew he was all hat and no cattle. This guy had no idea about the real secrets of affiliate marketing. Sure, adding value to an offer helps with conversion rates. But if he was seriously saying that adding value is the secret to generating lots of sales, then I was willing to bet he had rented that fancy suit he was wearing. And that's the problem with trying to get any information at a hotel bar or even online. There are too many pretenders, too many wannabes, too many self-proclaimed gurus. They're all legends in their own minds, and they're feeding you bad information. Well, that stops right here, right now. You see, I've put together an affiliate marketing video training course that goes beyond the basics of setting up your affiliate business. What you're about to discover are the real secrets of affiliate marketing. These are the actual advanced marketing strategy used by two of the net's top affiliate marketers to bring down 6 figures a year, simply by promoting other people's stuff. These strategies have worked for years for these two super affiliates. They've worked for countless other super affiliates in every niche on the planet. And you can bet these affiliate strategies will work for you too. Prepare to have your eyes open to what the super affiliates really do to generate commission checks that are so big they'd make Donald Trump blush. Let me give you a quick overview of what you'll discover inside these exciting jam-packed videos. First up, you'll get a startling look inside the mind of a super affiliate. Here's a little secret. Every super affiliate on the planet started from zero, just like you. They weren't born with a huge list of prospects, they didn't have magical superpowers that created traffic, and they didn't use a pocket watch to hypnotize their prospects and make them buy. But there is one thing they might have been born with that you don't have yet. And that's a unique mindset that gives them the Midas touch, where every affiliate product they promote turns to gold. Now you'll find out how to harness 5 powerful mindset factors for yourself that will give you the mind of a super affiliate. Next, you'll discover the surprising truth about what really works in affiliate marketing. Here's the deal. There is no one magic bullet that will make all your affiliate marketing dreams come true. But there is one thing that comes awfully close. What is it? It's testing and tracking. A lot of affiliates will roll their eyes or discount the idea right now. But if you're one of those who's willing to learn, then in this video, you'll find out how the super affiliates keep crushing their competition by tracking, testing, and tweaking the most important parts of their campaigns. Another thing this training program reveals to you is 5, count them, 5 different ways to get vendors to send you traffic and sales. Does that sound a little cuckoo crazy? Does it sound like I'm totally smoking something? It's not crazy and I'm not high. Just watch these videos and you'll find out these 5 surprising traffic generating strategies for yourself. Next up, you'll find out how to negotiate to get the best super affiliate perks on the planet. You don't need to be a bona fide super affiliate to get the best perks. You just need to know how to ask for them. And now, in this video, you'll discover the 7 sweet perks you can get. Plus, you'll find out the best way to approach vendors so you're almost guaranteed to get everything you ask for. Another thing you'll discover is the secret to overcoming bad sales pages. You know what I'm talking about. You run into a product that's the best thing to hit the market since sliced bread, but the sales letter sucks. It looks like a kindergartner scribbled it out while he was off his ADHD meds. This is a sales letter that couldn't sell a mirror to a raging narcissist. If you ever run into this sort of drivel, don't give up on the product until you watch this video to find out the 4 clever tricks for getting high conversions when the vendor gives you a crappy sales letter. This is a sure way to start closing more sales. You'll love it. Another thing you'll find out is how to put the magnet in your lead magnet. Most affiliates know they need to lay out an enticing bit of bait on a lead page to capture prospects on their list, but they have no idea how to do it. They're about as clueless as a nun in a brothel. That's why this video gives you 4 surefire tips for creating lead magnet pages that attract subscribers almost like magic. Plus, you'll find out which tool the super affiliates use to quickly and easily create high converting lead pages with just a couple clicks of the mouse. You'll also find out how to keep your prospects from running off with your competitors. Here's the shocking secret. Your prospects just aren't all that into marketing monogamy. Sure, you want to be the one and the only affiliate marketer for all your prospects, but your competitors are totally flirting with them. And if you don't know how to put a stop to this, your prospects will be doing long romantic walks on the beach with those competitors in no time. So how do you avoid this? Simple. You train your prospects to come to you first whenever something new hits the market. This video will show you exactly how to do this, so you always get first dibs on the most profitable customers. Another thing you'll discover is how to do affiliate marketing like a boss. You know what? Lots of affiliate marketers are pretty clueless about what makes customers take out their wallets. That's good news for you, because when the majority of your competition has no idea what they're doing, it's so much easier for you to swoop in and steal their customers. All you have to do is position yourself a certain way in your market, which will create hordes of fans and followers who hang on your every word. That's what you'll find out how to do in this video. And once you implement this shockingly effective strategy, your affiliate business will catch fire. And that's not all. You'll also find out the real secret of generating big commission checks. You see, the super affiliates know that the real key to making a ton of sales is all about the level of engagement they have with prospects. The right level of engagement gets prospects to buy something, even if they don't want the product or their spouse says no. Now that's power. If you'd like to learn these extremely effective strategies for yourself, then order this video program now using the link on this page, and you'll discover 5 tips for transforming yourself into one of the most powerful influencers in your niche. And here's something else. You'll also learn how to squeeze every last drop of value out of your assets. Everyday affiliates all over the web are wasting their biggest assets. They've got traffic leaks so big their sites are like sieves. They're not protecting their reputations, which should be guarded as fiercely as the Hope Diamond. And they're blowing off their partners, the same partners who could turn a fledgling affiliate business into a 6-figure powerhouse. Don't be that person. Don't waste everything you work so hard for. Watch this video and you'll find out how to avoid these mistakes. Plus, you'll discover how to leverage your assets to create more traffic, subscribers, sales, and cash in the bank. And that brings us to the next point, where you'll find out the secrets of moving on up to the upper echelon of the affiliates in your niche. You don't need to settle for an average income. You don't need to settle for just enough to get by. You can make more. You deserve more. And this course will help you do it, because you'll get 3 more mindset tweaks that will get you thinking and making money like a super affiliate. There is so much good information packed into these videos that you'll want to clear your schedule for the rest of the day and watch every single one of them right away. And you can, starting in just a couple minutes from now. The strategies and secrets inside these videos are worth hundreds of thousands of dollars to affiliates that have put them into practice. They would be a bargain at $1,000. They would be a steal at $500. It would be insane at $100. But right now, because you are on this page, you can get access to all the videos at a ridiculous investment of $7. Yes, just $7. That is not missing a zero. But hurry, because this offer won't last, and the price will be rising very soon. All you have to do to get your hands on the same secrets the super affiliates use to bring down the big commission checks is click the order link on this page. And if you order right now, we will even throw in the Affiliate Marketing Basics course as an added bonus, which includes 10 more high-quality videos on getting started with affiliate marketing. This is one of the best investments you can make in your affiliate marketing business. And if you act right now, you'll get it at a great price too. So click the order link now to get started. You'll be glad you did.